3D printing every day for 365 days, part 87. So today's print was something Dad requested of me. He wanted a cover for his ute, like the front bumper. So I jumped into CAD, did a quick mock-up, and it actually turned out perfect the first go. So I printed an ABS, ASA, and here you can see it fits nice and snug, clips in. I used a clip-in type design, and it shouldn't come out. And now it just covers the hole, and yeah. Stick around for day 88 and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!